name's Christopher Davies. I'm the owner-operator of Chris's Sign Service. And when I was just, started at 12, 13, started getting in the truck with my father and went around with him. Worked with him until just before I was in grade 11 and ended up getting pulled out of school because school wasn't my thing. I worked for my dad for a little bit and then decided to start my own venture. And so my father gave me a 1976 GMC 1-ton flat deck with an old hand crank Garland on it, and says, whatever you can do, go do your own thing. So, 30 years later, that one truck turned into, we have offices throughout Western Canada, from Vancouver all the way to Winnipeg, with our brand Westcan Lighting as well. So that's our other brand that's in the Alberta, and we have just under about 80 employees as well now.
Chris Friesen. I've been doing this for 14 years now with Chris Davies. I do business development for our company. I've moved up from being a technician, being a glorified light bulb changer, to being a person now representing the company and selling it across Western Canada.
I think I gave him a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, and a red Robbie, and said, "Go fix some signs."
All the tools to succeed.
We're a sign and lighting service company. We've expanded into the building maintenance and neon. Pretty much do it all kind of thing. What everybody needs, we'll find a way to do it anyway. Painting flood poles, power washing, gutter repair, soffit repair, roof repairs, and it's you got to try to find whatever the next thing is to be able to utilize your equipment to keep things moving forward.
We're a one-stop shop for our customers.
The sign industry is definitely changing, and you got to just try to find out what that next move is. Like from the lighting, and then we went to the LED, but you're just always revolving, and no more. I think we're looking at it right now as we're pushing into the sign. So we're getting more into the manufacturing, installs, things like that. The very first van ladder, I think we bought in 2009 or 2008, I think it was.
Sounds about right.
2009, and I remember we seen the van ladder at the sign show in Vegas. And I think it was a few months later, one of our competitors bought one up in Canada. And we said, "Hey, can we give it a shot?" So he actually let us try it for the day and stuff. So we actually took it out. And it was a super hit. It was, it had everything that we needed to do to actually get the job done that our other trucks didn't offer you. It had the height, the continual rotation. It was just an easier thing, like for installation with the open bucket. We just found that it just had more and more reasons why we wanted van ladders.
I think that's where even these trucks come in handy for us now. We're noticing that our building maintenance guys can have the lift they need and the space they need for their equipment.
Over the years, I think we bought, I think we got to be probably 20 van ladders from between all the brands or something.
Between both companies.
Yeah, probably 20 van ladders over the year.
It's a premium ladder. They're beefy, they're strong, and they reach where we have to be. The maintenance, it's easy to work on, and we have had very little problems with them actually.
Our oldest runner right now has 480,000 kilometers. So, and that one's still, I think that's one of the original from 2010, and that van ladder's still going. We have a really robust maintenance program, so we no problem getting 10 years. So that at the end of the day, that truck owes us nothing, right? With all the stuff that you guys kind of invented to make our job a lot easier. Wow, it's just, so now we're in the process of just replacing all the existing old van ladders.
Looking forward to using that Chariot bucket and putting up the first sign when we get back home.
You got those office hands now that you kind of...
Yeah, these hands, yeah, no. I can barely control the bucket as it was. I can't type, I can't control the bucket anymore. What good am I?
Anything else comes to mind?
Go buy a van ladder.
Yeah.